Yes, friends. Next question from Dhruva Entertainment and Video classes. Friends, this question from UNIT-VIII, that is Ecology and Environment of Intermediate First Year Zoology. Friends, this is 4 marks question, short question and very important question, friends, and simple question. So what is our question, friends? Explain brood parasitism with a suitable example. Friends, brood parasitism with a suitable example. You know, friends, parasitism means what? It is an interaction between two different species in which one acts as host and the act as guest. Guest always causes damage to the host. Okay, friends, that is parasitism. Here what we are saying, friends, brood parasitism. It is a special type of parasitism, friends, in which one species lays its eggs in the nest of other species. Okay, friends, that is called as brood parasitism. Now we will go in detail, friends. Explain brood parasitism with a suitable example. Friends, first you know the example. Example what, friends? Crow and koel. Friends, kaki mariyu kokila. Crow and koel, friends. Crow and koel, you have to remember, friends. Now come to our answer, friends. It is a special type of parasitism. Friends, it is a parasitism. What type of parasitism it is? It is a special type of parasitism. It is shown by birds. Friends, it is shown by birds. Example, crow and koel. Friends, what are? Example what, friends? Crow and koel. Come to definition, friends. What is the definition of the brood parasitism? A bird of one species, friends, a bird of one species laying its eggs in the nest of another bird. Friends, a bird of one species laying its eggs in the nest of another species. For what, friends? For incubation, hatching and rearing of young ones is called brood parasitism. Friends, here we have two birds, friends. One bird is laying its eggs in the nest of another bird. For what, friends? For incubation, hatching and rearing. Okay, friends, once again see the definition, friends. It is a special type of parasitism. It is present in birds. Okay, friends, example, crow and koel. What is our definition, friends? A bird of one species laying its eggs in the nest of another bird for incubation, hatching and rearing of young ones is called brood parasitism. Brood parasitism. Okay, friends? Here how many birds are there, friends? 2 birds are there, friends. Means in this association 2 birds are there. What are those 2 birds, friends? One bird is called as parasitic bird. Another bird is called as host bird. Friends, one bird is called as parasitic bird. Another bird is called as host bird. Here in this example, the parasitic bird is what, friends? Koel. Koel, it is the parasitic bird. The host bird is what, friends? That is crow. So why we are calling koel as parasitic bird, friends? See, friends, it lays its eggs in the nest of another bird. Friends, generally koel has no capacity to build a nest. So because of that, it lays its eggs in the nest of crow, friends. So because of that, what we are calling? It is a parasitic bird. Why we are calling it as parasitic bird? It is laying its eggs in the nest of crow. See, friends, parasitic bird, koel, it lays its eggs in the nest of another bird. It lays its eggs in the nest of another bird. Come to host bird, friends. Here, what is the host bird? Crow. It is the owner of the nest, friends. It is the owner of the nest. That nest is constructed by the crow only, friends. So it is the owner of the nest. It incubates, hatch, and rear the young ones of the parasitic bird. See, when the parasitic bird quail lays its eggs in the nest of the crow, this crow hatch, rear the eggs of the quail, friends. So it incubates, hatch, and rear the young ones of the parasitic bird. See, friends, important point. The eggs of parasitic bird, that is quail, are similar with the eggs of the host bird. See, friends, crow can't identify the eggs of quail. Why it won't recognize, friends? The eggs of the parasitic bird, that is quail eggs, are similar with the eggs of the host bird. In what, friends? In size and color. Because of that, crow won't identify those eggs are of quail. Okay, friends? Next, see, friends. Because of this, the host bird can't detect the eggs of guest bird or foreign bird or quail. Because of this, the host bird, that is crow, can't detect the eggs of guest bird. Which is the guest bird, friends? Is a foreign bird, that is quail, and ejecting from the nest. So because of that, it won't eject, it won't reject those eggs, because those eggs are resembling the eggs of a crow. So because of that, it won't identify it. Those are the eggs of the quail. Okay, friends? This is about what, friends? Brood parasitism. See, friends, here. See, friends, this is crow and quail. See, appearance is same, friends, but color is different. Now see one more image, friends. See, friends, quail does not build its nests. It lays eggs in the nest of crow. See, friends, quail does not build its nest. It lays eggs in the nest of crow. See, friends, one more image. See, can we identify the eggs of crow and quail? All are similar in shape and size and color. So these are the eggs of quail and crow, friends. Now the last one, see, friends, how quail is very intelligent bird, friends. See, friends, crow is sitting over its nest. These are the quail, friends, male quail and female quail. See, male Asian quail distracting crow, it is attracting away from the distracting the crow now. So female laying eggs quickly after pushing out some crows. Here what happened, friends? Male quail ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఫ్రెండ్స్? ఈ క్రోని అట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది, దూరంగా తీసుకెళ్తుంది. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఫ్రెండ్స్? ఈ ఫీమేల్ కోయల్ వచ్చి ఆ నెస్ట్లో ఎగ్స్ పెడుతుంది, ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓకే, హియర్ వన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్. This female quail or this quail is a cunning bird. It removes one or two eggs of the crow's eggs, and then in that place it lays its eggs. Okay, friends? This is about what, friends? Brood parasitism. Brood parasitism, friends. Once again you see, it is a special type of parasitism shown by birds. Example, crow and quail. What is the definition, friend? A bird of one species laying its eggs in the nest of another bird species or another species for incubation, hatching and rearing of young ones is called brood parasitism. Here, what are the examples, friends? In this association we have two birds. One is parasitic bird, that is quail. One is host bird, that is crow. Why we are calling it a quail as parasitic bird, friends? It lays its eggs in the nest of another bird, that is the crow. Why we are calling host bird as crow as host bird? It is the owner of the nest. It incubates, hatch and rear the young ones of the parasitic bird. Okay, friends? This is about the brood parasitism, friends. Brood parasitism. Explain brood parasitism with suitable examples. Okay, friends? Thank you. Good day, friends.